India Taiwan Relations Explained, Indo Pacific Strategy, UPSC Current Affairs. Hello everyone. Today, let's understand why Taiwan has become important in global politics and how it relates to India's strategic interests. Recently, Taiwan responded strongly to online campaigns targeting Indian workers expected to work in Taiwan. This development has again brought attention to India Taiwan relations. Now, first, let's understand Taiwan's importance. Taiwan is an island located in the western Pacific Ocean. It is globally important because it plays a major role in semiconductor manufacturing. Semiconductors are tiny electronic components used in mobile phones, computers, vehicles, telecommunication systems, and advanced technologies. Another important term here is the One China policy. Under this policy, China considers Taiwan as part of its territory. Many countries officially recognize the government in Beijing while maintaining informal economic and cultural relations with Taiwan. India also follows the One China policy, but at the same time, India and Taiwan continue cooperation in areas like trade, education, technology, and workforce mobility. Taiwan is especially important because it is one of the world's leading semiconductor producers. As global demand for chips increases, Taiwan's strategic value is also rising. This issue is also linked with the Indo Pacific region. The Indo Pacific is considered an important geopolitical and economic region connecting the Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Many countries are now focusing on supply chain security and maritime cooperation in this region. For UPSC aspirants, this topic is important because it connects India China relations, Indo Pacific strategy, global supply chains, technology diplomacy, and semiconductor security. For prelims, remember Taiwan Strait, Indo Pacific region, and semiconductor importance. For mains, this topic can be linked with strategic balancing, regional geopolitics, and economic diplomacy. Overall, Taiwan has become an important part of global technology and geopolitical discussions in recent years. To learn more, download the EduRev app. Thank you.